Hey, whales, good morning. It's Thursday, March 27th, pre-market. Let's go over and review and recap Tesla for today's trading session. All right, so with Tesla, guys, there's a theory that I want to go over so we're all aligned, right? So whenever you get this downtrend that occurs, okay, off of these lows, right, and when we do get a relief rally, right, if this is the bottom, you typically want to see 5 waves, guys. You want to see 5 waves in like this, okay? So a clear 5 waves where we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The reason why you want 5 waves is because this is a very impulsive structure. This is a bullish structure, right? Because now when we do correct, we have so much support coming down that most likely it's going to reverse and keep going up, and then eventually consolidate and keep going up higher and higher, okay? So this is what we want to see right now for Tesla, okay? Now, the other theory is that if you do get this downtrend that occurs, okay, and off of these lows, if you only see 3 waves like this, guys, this is very bearish, okay? This is what you typically call a dead cat bounce or a bear flag, right? So this is a bearish structure where if you only get 3 waves and not 5 waves, this tends to break down even further, like this, okay? And what we label this instead is an A, B, C, okay? And typically in a correction, you get 5 waves down, 3. This is a 4 wave, A, B, C, 4, and then one more 5th wave down, okay? So if we're taking a look at Tesla right now, okay, we want 5 waves in. So for Tesla, I do see a wave 1, 2, and I see a 3. So I only see 3 waves in right now, guys. Okay, so if we're calling the bullish path for now, where we ended this downtrend cycle, okay, because if you take a look at the RSI, right, we resetted the indicators. We went from top all the way to bottom. So, so this cycle has ended, right? So if we take a look at this being the new low, we'll label that as the invalidation level for now. So that means that as long as price stays above the invalidation level, we can call this bullish path for now, right? So we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4 that gets put in, and we need another high, guys. We need a wave 5 towards the upside, okay? If we get that wave 5 towards the upside, this looks very bullish to me. It is more of a bullish sequence rather than me being bearish at that point. Okay, so we need one more wave higher for wave 5 to break higher above this wave 3 to put in this A wave. Then when we do get this retracement, right, that B wave comes down. Okay, so this is sort of what I want to see within the next week or so, and make sure that we can get 5 waves in. Because if not, guys, if not, what could happen is that we're still working on this wave 4, right, and we have a wave 5 coming down still. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this can happen, right? This can happen where we start getting impulsive structures towards the downside here. Okay, so it really depends on what the markets are going to do, but let's not worry about that, right? Because we do have the invalidation level set. So we're looking for one more wave higher to complete this cycle. Now, if we keep going on this bullish path, where do I see Tesla landing, right? So we always want to try to get the 50 back, guys, okay? So we take the swing highs for the fib retracement tool down to the swing lows. And that 50 back would be anywhere between 352 to 384 would be this main target, okay, for this potential 3-leg move up, A, B, C, okay? So we want to see that 3-wave move up and let the market decide what it's going to do at this point between 352 to 384, okay? Because now, from this level, either, okay, we're going to pump down like this, get closer to 113, 153, or we keep this higher low and pump up to 551 to 600, okay? I prefer this bullish path, right? I do believe this is not likely to go down. But we all, as traders, we need to make sure we're prepared for all scenarios so we know how to trade and prepare and make sure that we have the invalidations level set so we can put the right stop losses and, get the best risk to reward scenarios, right? So until then, guys, in the shorter term, we're waiting for that 5th wave up, okay? We need this 5th wave up to confirm that this is a bullish structure, Okay, so make sure you keep a lookout for not only Tesla, but NVIDIA, right? You need to make sure you keep an eye out on NVIDIA. One thing that I also am a little bit wary about is Broadcom here. Okay, this is the only other stock in the market that we were supposed to, right? We have a green box buy right here. We're supposed to pump out of these levels here, right? We're supposed to make at least the three-wave move up, but it looks pretty bearish to me, right? We're cycling off these lows. It's starting to break these lows. So the question is AVGO, is Broadcom giving us an early warning sign that the markets are showing weakness, right? So I want to make sure, if I'm playing these levels, I make sure that I always have my stop loss ready in terms of the validation levels, not only across Tesla, but NVIDIA and all my other stocks, right? I got into Meta at the lows, so I'm raising my stop loss up, right? I'm making sure that I protect my capital just in case we do something funky on the S&P 500 and make a double correction towards the lows, right? So we just got to be careful, guys. These are some tricky times. So let's see if we get that 5 waves in. And yeah, let's see. Let's let the market decide what's going to happen. Talk to you guys soon.